Kami kembali hadir ke ruang dengar Anda. Fakta dan terpercaya. Selamat menyaksikan kabar terkini bersama Flores mewartakan. Kepala Dinas Pendidikan Pemuda dan Olahraga Kabupaten Manggarai Fransiskus Giri SPD mengunjungi SMP Santo Claus Kubu Sabtu 27 Mei 2023. Kami akan kembali setelah pesan yang satu ini. Kami kembali hadir ke ruang dengar Anda. Fakta dan terpercaya. Selamat menyaksikan kabar terkini bersama Flores mewartakan.
Selamat datang di lembaga SMP Santo Claus Kubu. Yang terhormat Kepala Dinas Pendidikan Kabupaten Manggarai, yang kami hormati pengabar pembina SMP Kabupaten Manggarai, yang saya hormati Kepala SMP Santo Claus Kubu. Arahkan pandangan ke depan, Tuhan kan berfirman. Sadarilah masa berganti, tantangan kan kita hadapi.
Kami akan kembali setelah pesan yang satu ini. Kami kembali hadir ke ruang dengar Anda. Fakta dan terpercaya. Selamat menyaksikan kabar terkini bersama Flores mewartakan. Kami akan kembali setelah pesan yang satu ini. Kami kembali hadir ke ruang dengar Anda. Fakta dan terpercaya. Selamat menyaksikan Kabar terkini bersama Flores mewartakan. Kami akan kembali setelah pesan yang satu ini. Kami kembali hadir ke ruang dengar Anda. Fakta dan terpercaya. Selamat menyaksikan kabar terkini bersama Flores mewartakan.
Today, I'm Michael. I hope you are happy and healthy today. I'd like to ask you, do you like story? If you like a story, I'd like to tell you the story of two greedy girls. In Indonesia we say, kisah dua gadis serakah. And in Manggarai we say, sua anak loya talak. So now, let's enjoy the story. Long time ago, there were two little girls living with their mother. They were Risma and Ica. As they were very poor, they have nothing to eat except root of bamboo and rattan. The two things were actually what porcupine ate. The two girls looked very unhealthy and thin. One day, their uncle came from a nearby village called Nilo to visit his nieces. Looking at parents, he took pity on them. Kids, would you mind if I bring you to the village? There you find a lot of food. We have banana and targa. He he proceeded his nieces to follow him to go to the village. They went to the village and left their mother alone. As they arrived, a sow of thorns in their uncle's farm. Every day, they plant out for its stubble. After a week later, they ran out of the food. They did something which made and left their mother alone. Knowing this, the owner of the farm put a trap in his town. The two children were crying in a crowd. "Oh, my uncle, why did you just leave us home? Young Mama left you out. Then you took a pity on us. Now you see carved in the kite." After a while, the owner of the farm came. Please, forgive us. Please, apologize us. Don't want happen anymore. Fine, the uncles. It won't happen anymore. I keep your promise. Answered the owner of the farm. Then they went to the foot of the tent. The two children were happy in the farm. It's the leg injury because of the drum. That's all my story, and thank you for watching.
Kami akan kembali setelah pesan yang satu ini. Kami kembali hadir ke ruang dengar Anda. Fakta dan terpercaya. Selamat menyaksikan kabar terkini bersama Flores Ice. Dari Manggarai, Flores Ice mengabarkan.